Realme launched its new mid-range smartphone under P series in India called Realme P2 Pro, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme P2 Pro features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus 3D curved AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 2000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128, 256, or 512 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Realme P2 Pro sports a dual camera setup under squarish module at the top center that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's LYT600 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5200 mAh battery, with 80 watts ultra-fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with Realme UI 5.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.34 by 73.91 by 8.21 millimeters, and it weighs around 180 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme P2 Pro 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 19,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 22,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 25,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in parrot green and eagle gray color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme P2 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.